What's up guys, I am Pawan back with a series of videos regarding malware and different forms of it. So in this video we'll learn about malware. So before starting the video, subscribe my channel if you have not done yet and click on the bell icon to get latest updates regarding the videos. So let's begin. What is a malware? Malicious software, in short malware, is a piece of code designed to cause damage to your computer system or a network. Here is the basic definition regarding that. It comes in many forms, usually hidden in another file, and it can be injected into your computer through phishing and many other techniques. Once it gets injected, it takes advantage of the technical flaws and vulnerabilities in your hardware OS and software. Malware is categorized into different forms based on the characteristics like its attack methodologies and the type of vulnerability the malware exploits and how it replicates and spreads over the network, and the specific goal of the malware. Like for example, consider ransomware. It's having financial goal, and the spyware is to capture the information which is sensitive, and the keyloggers capture the usernames and password. Based on these characteristics, this is how malware is categorized into different forms like Trojan horses, rootkits, viruses, ransomware, worms, spyware, adware, keyloggers, and many other. So we'll learn one by one in our next videos in detail about the different forms of malware and what are the precautions to be taken in order to get rid of them. So I hope you loved the video. Please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching guys. We will meet in the next video. Until then, keep watching Planet of Fun Tech.